Master the terminal to secure the digital perimeter. This is your foundation for building the architecture of defense. Command the kernel and gain absolute proficiency in the operating system that powers the world's security infrastructure. The command line is the ultimate weapon of the elite defender. Learn to wield it with precision. With 37 comprehensive chapters, you will achieve total technical dominance in the field. Follow our roadmap to master distributions, command line proficiency, file system editing, and identity management. Step onto the elite path and prepare for high-level roles in security analysis or penetration testing. Build your technical arsenal with 160 learning objectives, 70 labs, and over 200 knowledge quizzes. Invest $279.99 to secure your future with professional-grade Linux mastery. Begin your transformation today. Enroll now and take the first step toward a secure career. If you require further assistance or need more details, our support team is ready to help at our contact email.